clear tu te chi bayule tuntu ma chuan India rama na thok tu tam na ber le na tam na ber Indian Railway ya na ruak tele na sang te kan en ho le don ani tu ten nge deal thayanga eng qualification tenge ngai na an lak dan tele na sang te an hlo za tele mizo te ta na he na athat big na te tuntum kan video a hian kan zir chiang le don ani kan soita gang khan India rama na thok tu tam na ber le na tam na ber chu railway ya ania khovel pum huapa na thok tu nga top te na an lang pha ni 1.4 million chuang employers na thok tu an neya India ram puma hian railway zone hi som pariatin an then sang bokani Mizoram hi North East Frontier Railway NFR zone waya kan oma NFR headquarters chu Guwahati Assam a omani Indian Railway Ministry chuan India ram pum state capital zongjong railway line connect vekatuma Mizoram capital Aizawl po hi hemi project zinga hian atel ve ni ti chuan Bairabi chu Sairang project akalpui meka kumsa ni le somni pathum a chuan peifel man anin be se ni Mizoram chunga Bairabi to Sairang railway project a hian railway station Palli a omanga Hortoki Konpui Mualkhang le Sairang a te railway station an bundon ni kan ria thiawngin Bairabi station a om towa Bairabi station tilawa khan station Palidang an bun bel le don ani chuwangin mizo thalai tan po na atam dona railway lama hian class 10 class 12 graduate tele technical line engineer te tin medical line MBBS te tan thleng po in na atam chho don ani India rama hian zona zerin railway a nalatu Railway Recruitment Board RRB somni pakhat lai a oma an zona naruak te chu heng RRB te hian an la thina ni Mizoram po NFR waya kanoma wang hian Northeast State chunga railway naruak a om rengin RRB Guwahati RRB kan tikhan Railway Recruitment Board Guwahati hian ala thin dona naruak advertisement le notification te ti chuakin exam te po on conduct thin don ani Indian Railway na te hi group lia an thena group A group B group C le group D a te then ani a group A le B hi gazette officer an ni ni group A le B hi railway na B ka chuanin gazette officer an ni group A en taila group A hi UPSC exam kaltlangin an la thina UPSC nuai hian civil service exam engineering exam le combined medical exam te khatiang khan bo sai thina tuna kan soitak te kaltlang khanin group A officer tur group A na thok tur te kha an la thina ni tin special class railway apprentice SCRA anti hi omboka chu UPSC hian a conduct thina SCRA exam atling te chu kumli chung BTech anzir thina anzir chungin stipend thatok tak thlatin andong bok thina ni chumi chuan zo hnuwa railway ya an naturang om kha an thok thina ni Indian Railway Traffic Service IRTS te Indian Railway Account Service IRAS Indian Railway Personnel Service IRPS le Railway Protection Force RPF te Group A officer te le Group A chungbi ka na omte ani kha hlom lian deuh pali ten ni tin Group A thlo po hi nuai khat chuang ani veka nuai khat chuang Group A officer te gazette officer te khan an thloa tin seat po hi group dang ngai to chuanin atle mani competition po asanga seat po naruak po kha atlem bokani qualification han enila Group A deal tur chuanin graduate emo post graduate emo ni angaya technical post kanan TB ka chuan engineering BEB tech emo medical a chuan MBBS khatiang thiamna khatiang degree te kha apply tur chuan nei angai ani Group B en le thungila Group B exam hi chu exam ran pa om lova direct recruitment direct exam ma la ka ni ngai lovani Group C atanga promotion Group C post atanga promotion mu ho kha Group B ya khan na an thok thena ni Group B post te kha Group C atanga promotion ron kai sang ho tan khan reserve ani ruah man ani chuan senior section engineer te junior engineer te depot material superintendent te chemical assistant kan tiang chi ho kha group B railway khamia post omte ani atlang puini group C le D han en leila group C le D te hi railway recruitment board RRB anti te khan exam an conduct thina India rama hian RRB railway recruitment board somni pakhat lai oma notice bi ka chuan guwahati hi kan center ani group C le D te hi class 10 le 12 chunglam pass te tan khana deal theya technical le non technical post a attention ni in technical post a chuan senior section engineer te junior engineer technician section engineer kan tiang chi te kha an ni a non technical lama hian loco pilot te booking clerks train ticket examiners chief ticket examiners assistant station master tin truckman kan ti te gateman kan ti te helper safai wala pion kan tiang chi te kha group C le D post te kha an ni abik takin non technical post an ni assistant station master kha deal tur chuanin graduate kumsom pariatanga somthum pahni inkar ni ngaya hlopo hi sanga zahni atanga singni le zahni inkar pa ka khan allowance te po mani ticket collector hemi deal tur chuanin 12 pass angaya kumsom pariatanga somni pakua ani angai bokatin hlo hi sanga zahni atanga singni le zahni inkar borvel ba ka khan allowance te tel bokani assistant locomotive pilot ALP a omboka hi class 10 pass chintan khana deal theini kumsom pariat atanga somthum class 10 pass tan khana deal theya thlakata hian singkhat sangkua le zakua singni borvel an hlo thin bokani technician grade 3 omle hi 12 pass chin science stream a PCM physics chemistry le maths combination subject la chintan khana deal theidona 18 to 30 years in kar khan deal theini goods guard hi graduate chin kumsom pariat atanga somni poko in kar tana deal theya hlopo hi sanga zahni atanga singni le zahni le grade pay le allowance khatiang chi kha atelani kangpa ka te khanin commercial apprentice traffic apprentice engineering post a JE civil mechanical electrical le telecommunication engineer khatiang chi te tan po khan group CB ka khan post oma exam thei ani group DB khanen le taila group D a chuanin trackman kan ti te gateman te helper te safai wala pion kan tiang chi te kha an ni le a khan lo po khan om trewanga atlang puin ni a group D big post kha deal tur chuanin class 10 pass chintan khana deal thaya ani lo pon ITI vocational training certificate nei chintan khana deal thei bokani kumsom pariat atanga somthum pakhat inkar ni angaya tin hlo hi thakata singkhat sariat borvel ani bokani tuna kanan soitak zonzong a khan ST kwata omani chuanin kumlama angai na thiamna upper age relaxation kumnga kha apply theidon bokani Indian Railway a hian kumtin naruak singtel aum thina railway naruak advertisement anti chu huna chipcher zokin kanlata langle donia ka video te hi thain tia mason na pakhatal inlo charnge ka bei sayani tin WhatsApp group ate Facebook ate Insta lama te po inlo share ve thin donia in zawai chunga kalome mutui mang thavek ule